Hello viewers, many users want to know about the battery performance of iPad 10th generation after the latest update, that is iPad OS 18.4. Currently my iPad 10th generation is running on iPad OS 18.4 and I am getting battery life of around 7 hours plus on a single charge. I mostly consume lot of videos on YouTube, so most of the battery life is actually consumed by YouTube. In previous update also I got this kind of battery life. Apart from that, I did not find any issue with this update. Multitasking is very good on this tablet and also multimedia consumption is as good as it was before. Many users actually want to know about the screen flickering issue after update, but I must tell you that I did not find any issue in the screen. The multimedia consumption experience is top-notch on this iPad 10th generation. If I go into the wallpaper section, I can see that there is nothing new in this advanced wallpaper section. Only few emojis have been added in this section, so you can use them as per your preference. Apart from that, there is nothing new. All these things were previously available after iPad OS 18.0. So these styles were actually previously available, so I find nothing new here. Many users actually want to know about the video rendering experience on iPad 10th generation after this update. I can say that video rendering is as good as it was before. The performance of A14 Bionic chipset in this iPad 10th generation is satisfactory. You can render 4K 60 FPS video, and if you add too many layers and too many transitions, in that case it will be problematic. Otherwise, if you render these videos without much edit, in that case it will definitely render your video into 4K 60 FPS. Here are the options. As you can see here, 4K 60 FPS is available. So finally, in the conclusion, should you update to the latest version, that is iPad OS 18.4? Look, if your iPad is under warranty, in that case you can definitely update to the latest version. But if your iPad is out of warranty, in that case you can stay away from this update only if you are not getting any kind of issue in the existing update. Hope this video will help you to take the decision whether you should update to the latest version or not. Let me know in the comment sections below if you are updating. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day.